Coefficient automatically imports your data into Google Sheets. This is how I like to set up automatically refreshing sales reports from QuickBooks Online straight into an easily shareable Google Sheet that I can give to a manager, to an owner, whatever the case may be. Here we're on the front page of Coefficient. It's super easy to get started. It's got a 30-day free trial to get started for free without a credit card. That will take you over to this install page where you simply click through to the Google Marketplace listing and install and sign into an extension to the Google Sheets. Once you're in a new Google Sheet, you can launch their app, this sidebar little app, and from here we've got several options to choose from. Now, I have previously used this GPT Copilot, and it's pretty nifty as well. Today we're going to be showing off the features of importing data from, like I said, QuickBooks. It's going to populate some very standard reporting here from your QuickBooks account. I am just going to demo a profit and loss report. It's going to connect up. You can choose how you want your columns displayed. You can refresh the preview over here, change the reporting period, also the accounting method, whether you do cash or accrual. And then you can actually filter, and I'm going to turn, well, I'm not going to turn anything off. I'm going to leave it all here, and I'm going to import that into the sheet. Now, it takes a couple seconds, but then it pulls in all of our data here. It also lets you auto-refresh the data hourly, daily, weekly, however you want. So say you wanted to refresh this data every morning at 5 a.m., boom. And now it gives us another option. Do we want to snapshot your imported data? And let's just open this up, and it says, hey, scheduling snapshots will create a new tab each week or month, keeping your previous imported data intact. So if this is something that you need to do, this is another nice little feature where you can add tabs for different periods of time. And we can snapshot that. Let's just do that monthly at this point. And now we run this again, and we are now good to go. Now I've got a Google Sheet that I can just share, and then they can go in here and check their data every time that they need to, rather than pulling a report and saving it as a PDF from QuickBooks. So that's how you import data and then set it up to auto-refresh using Coefficient. Go check it out. I've got a link in the description below if you'd like to try out their free trial and see how it works for yourself. Hope this is helpful for you. You're awesome. Bye.